I'd like to talk about Project Spade this morning. In October 2010, undercover online officers with the Child Exploitation Section of the Toronto Police Service made contact with a male on the internet who was sharing very graphic images of young children being sexually abused. Through investigations, the officers were able to trace the internet connection to a male living in Toronto. The investigation revealed that this individual was running an exploitation movie production and distribution company from an address within the City of Toronto. This company operated a website known as www.azoffilms.com, where customers from around the world could place orders to have movies sent to them through the mail or through the internet. Investigators believe many of these movies were consistent with the Canadian Criminal Code definition of child pornography. At this time, the Toronto Police Service sought the assistance of the United States Postal Inspection Service, as it appeared many of the movies were being exported into the United States. The Toronto Police Service and the United States Postal Inspection Service then began a joint investigation. On May 1st, 2011, after a 7-month-long investigation, officers executed numerous search warrants at various locations across the City of Toronto. One of these search warrants was executed at the site of the purported business located in the West End of Toronto. Officers spent 4 days inside this business, cataloging the thousands of movies, computers, and other media located during their search. At this time, over 45 terabytes of information was seized from the business. And to give you some perspective, this is equivalent to a stack of paper as tall as 1,500 CN Towers. On the same date, a search warrant was also executed at the residence of the owner-operator of the business, Mr. Brian Way. It is alleged that officers located hundreds of thousands of images and videos detailing horrific sexual acts against very young children, some of the worst that they have ever viewed. Brian Way, 42 years of age, has been charged with a total of 24 offenses, including numerous child pornography, proceeds of crime offenses, and instructing a criminal organization. We believe this is the first time in Canada that anyone has been charged with being a part of a criminal organization in regards to child pornography. It is alleged that Mr. Way's company had revenues in excess of $4 million during the years he was operating. It is also alleged that Mr. Way paid people to have children filmed in Eastern European countries in order to produce some of the movies that he would sell online. These producers of the child exploitation movies, which were sold exclusively through Azov Films, have all been convicted in their respective countries. With the assistance of the Toronto Police Service's technological tech section, officers were able to recreate the customer database used by Azov Films to distribute the material around the world. Child exploitation officers, with the assistance from the members of the Ontario Provincial Strategy to Protect Children from Sexual Abuse and Exploitation on the Internet, then spent months analyzing all the seized material, determining who the customers were. Information was then sent through the RCMP's National Child Exploitation Coordination Center and Interpol to over 50 countries. This investigation was dubbed Project Spade, and its success has been extraordinary. To date, the project as a whole has saved 386 children from sexual abuse worldwide. This alone is spectacular.